Hi there, students. Stricture. Okay, stricture is a countable noun. We use it with two different meanings. Firstly, a stricture is a criticism, a very strong, very stern criticism. Yeah? So, after the teacher's strictures about my work, I was rather depressed. Yeah? His stricture about the way I had behaved. So, stricture here, criticism. The other way we use stricture or strictures are talking about restrictions. Stricture, restrict. Constraints. So there are lots of things that I would love to do in life, but the financial strictures associated with doing them are going to make it very difficult. So the limitations, the constraints, yeah. Financial stricture is like a straitjacket. I guess the Ten Commandments are strictures about imposed by the religion. Yeah, they are the rules of what you can't do. Okay, so this is the idea of stricture. Either a severe criticism, it's very strong disapproval of something. Yeah, his strictures against my work are totally unwarranted. And then strictures are things that limit what you can do. So these are constraints, conditions. When you're speaking English, you need to obey the strictures of the grammar, the limitations, what it will allow you and what it won't allow you to do. Okay, so this is the idea of stricture. Yes, the strictures of the United Nations normally have very little effect on many countries, particularly in case of war, because they just ignore these strictures, these criticisms. Okay, a stricture, a severe moral or physical limit. So the strictures on the right of women to vote have been abolished. Okay, the restrictions, if you like, and that's the idea. Okay, so a strong criticism. The critics' strictures about the novel were very reasonable. Yeah, a dictator places strictures on his population, so maybe a stricture against free assembly. Or, yeah, the school rules are strictures that children find difficult to obey. Yeah, or maybe the strictures that come from the traditional roles of gender. And then a stricture, a criticism, a negative remark about something. Yeah, disapproval, a rebuke. Yeah, so normally the press, or the press at the moment, is full of stricture about the British Prime Minister. Yeah, it's full of well, bad press. Yeah, they are censuring him. They're saying you've done you behaved badly. And then we have to behave within the strictures set down by our society, within the constraints, within the limitations that are in place. Okay, so stricture, either a criticism, a strong criticism, or a limit, a limitation on something. You could pass stricture on somebody's activities. Yeah, you say they have done this and they've done it completely wrong. Mind you, I always wonder who are we to say that what somebody else has done is wrong or right. Okay, so a stricture, a constraint, a restriction, a restraint, or a very strongly critical remark. So, stricture, formality. This is quite a formal word. I think I'd probably give this a 7 in formality. It sounds rather literary and very formal. So 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation just about. I think probably better in a semi-formal writing or above. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, strictura, a compression or pressure, yeah, from strictus, meaning strict. Okay, so yeah, if somebody's strict about you, they are saying that they say you need to obey the rules more clearly. And here we have the idea of stricture. Yeah, strict rules. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stricture.